XRP may register a 1.8% uptick tomorrow, crypto prediction suggests. But before we move on, here's what's going on right now. XRP is currently down 0.4% in the last 24 hours and sits around $2.0541. Let's move forward to expert forecasts. CoinLore expects the price to fall toward $2.02 by January 19, marking a loss of 1.7%. CoinDataFlow expects XRP could move down toward $2.03, roughly 1.2% lower. CoinPrice Forecast notes it might progress toward $2.06, a projected increase close to 0.3%. A separate analysis by Crypto Predictions suggests XRP could climb to $2.091, roughly 1.8% up. And last but not least, Gulf Capital Collector targets $2.136 by January 19, representing a rise of 4%. This forecast has the highest earning potential. That's the full round of calls. Let's continue from here. After summarizing the forecasts, let's dive into the details. According to the forecast provided, the possible change in price extends from a drop of 1.7% to a gain of 4%, depending on the analyst. In short, Gulf Capital Collector comes out ahead with 4% surge in value by tomorrow. After adding it all up, you could take in between $3 and $40 for every $1,000 you invest. When we talk about probability, CoinPrice Forecast tops the list with a 89.2% chance of success. Looking across the 5 forecasts, I've built a consensus outlook for clarity. Consensus calculations put XRP around $2.0674. Let's break it down step by step. Consensus assessment puts the price up around 0.6%. In simple terms, your capital might mirror the same 0.6% change. A 1,000 allocation could potentially bring about $6 in return. The probability tied to the consensus projection working out is roughly 87.7%. To sum up this section, let's see what analysts predict for the 3-day horizon. CoinLore describes the near-term path as bearish. CoinDataFlow highlights that XRP may continue drifting sideways, lacking momentum either way. For this short horizon, additionally, CoinPrice Forecast describes the market as flat, with little scope for variation. Crypto Predictions emphasizes selling pressure dominating. Gulf Capital Collector highlights an upward outlook for XRP. The consensus highlights muted conditions, keeping XRP close to where it is now. The analysis shows 60% of forecasts aligned on bullish expectations. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts appeared online. Yesterday's move shows how close they came. Ultimately, the actual closing price was $2.0631. Only 2 predictions match the real direction. If we go by precision, CoinCodex had the best forecast. Time to check the outcome in detail. Yesterday's move showed 2 forecasts inside the range. For ROI performance, several analysts achieved gains, but CoinCodex stood highest. And now take a moment to look at the summary table. It shows how every forecast held up. Meanwhile, 30 rates had a estimated probability of 81.6%, $0.0308 in accuracy, and 0.1% ROI. Take a moment. Who's your pick for the best performing analyst here? Let's see how tomorrow's predicted profitability looks when compared with a few other assets. Tomorrow's leading asset is Bitcoin with 2.2% in forecasted profitability, placing it above XRP. For now, you can see XRP next to just 4 cryptocurrencies, but a much larger set will be featured on my website soon. If this video helped you avoid hours of scrolling through forecasts, leave a like, it means a lot. Talk to you in the next data review.